Introducing the MZROT 95kPa vacuum sealer machine, your ultimate solution for preserving freshness and reducing food waste. Equipped with a powerful 230-watt motor and a negative 95 kilopascal suction force, this commercial-grade vacuum sealer works efficiently to seal in freshness within 8 to 18 seconds. It can handle up to 30 bags continuously in just 15 minutes, making it ideal for bulk food preparation. The high-quality heating wire ensures tight seals, extending the shelf life of your food and saving you time and money. This vacuum sealer is packed with features to suit every need. With its 10 versatile modes, you can customize the process for any type of food. Whether you're sealing dry snacks, moist ingredients, or delicate items like pastries, the machine has options like dry and moist, gentle and normal pressure, and single and double seal. It even offers a pulse function for precision control and a manual mode for high-temperature sealing. The one-touch auto button makes the process effortless, while the double heat sealing keeps your food fresh for up to 8 times longer. Designed with convenience in mind, the MZROT vacuum sealer is easy to clean and store. The stainless steel surface and detachable sink ensure a hygienic experience by preventing food residue buildup. Plus, its compact size of 16 by 8.1 by 4.7 inches makes it perfect for small kitchens or limited storage spaces. This vacuum sealer also features a built-in bag roll storage and cutter, letting you easily customize bag sizes to fit your needs. The MZROT vacuum sealer comes with everything you need to get started, including 10 pre-cut bags, a bag roll, an air suction hose, and more. With its powerful performance, customizable features, and thoughtful design, this vacuum sealer is a must-have for every kitchen. Get yours today and enjoy fresher food, less waste, and ultimate convenience.